A longer hair starts from inside. Hair health, like the rest of your hair, is mostly depend on what you eat. Foods that help in hair growth are leafy vegetables, beans, seeds, lionfish, and chicken. They all enhance growth. Eating healthy will ensure your hair gets all the nutrients it needs to grow longer, stronger, shinier, and silky smooth. Trim your hair regularly. Regularly trimming your hair and ensure a reduction in the number of split ends. However, make sure you don't overdo the trimming and either cut your hair too short or cut it too regularly. Massage your scalp with coconut oil. Gently massage your scalp with your fingertips. Heat a tablespoon of coconut oil. Dip your fingertips in the oil and massage in a circular motion. Coconut oil greatly enhances the chances of your hair growing long and strong. Don't wash too often. Using shampoo to wash your hair every day causes your hair to dry out and lose most of its natural essential oils. It's a good habit to maintain a schedule and wash your hair 3 to 4 times a week at the most. Don't brush too often. Brush your hair for not more than 5 to 10 minutes every day. Brushing your hair stimulates the scalp, releases natural oils, and helps to spread those oils down the length of your hair. Make sure to brush gently, especially when your hair is wet. Take biotin. There are a variety of supplements like biotin and multivitamin tablets that are best suited for women aspiring for long and strong hair. Taking biotin 1 time a day after meal will enhance your hair growth quite significantly. Follow these steps and you will witness awesome growth in no time. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye.